Good morning, sir. We are from First Group, and we take our theme is food catering application database modeling as our last assessment. And our team consists of me as Novel, there is Fahmi, Sabrina, and Tria.
So for the idea itself, we choose catering, and the name is Catering Sehat. So basically, it is a food catering service that allows users to order healthy and nutritious meals online. The service can be accessed through a mobile app or through the web version. Catering Sehat offers various menu categories such as diet food, vegetarian, gluten-free, organic, and many more. It entails transaction catering sehat providers such as menu information, price, availability of raw materials, and delivery methods. For step 1, business rule, the first one is customer identified by customer ID, name, address, and phone number. And then customer must have an account. Its customer can only have one account. Accounts are identified with account ID, username, and password. Customers are able to select multiple catering options for either daily meals or various events such as weddings or birthday parties within a specified time frame. Catering booking must be made within a designated period before the event date. The minimum lead time for placing an order may differ based on the type and size of the event, and identified by the event name, organizing times, number of guests, menu, event location, and delivery. And then prices for catering service might vary based on factors such as the menu selected, the number of guests, additional service requested, and the event location. For delivery, including motorcycle with the license plate, type of motorcycle, and years of manufacture. And the last one is payment. For TNC should be clearly communicated to the customer before finalizing the order. This includes accepted payment methods and for attribute identified by type of payment, cash, cashless, payment ID as a primary key, date payment, and total payment.
So this is for entities in a relationship. There is eight entities. There is a relationship. For the first one is customer have one customer can have many services. One customer has one account. One other service has related to customer. Other service has one payment. Payment has related to other service. Other service has related to motorcycle. Admin related to the account, and admin related to order service.
Next is step 3, the attributes. We have 6 entities and 6 attributes.
The next is constraints. Account to customer is 1-to-1. Account to order surface is 1-to-many. Customer to order surface is 1-to-many. Order surface to customer is 1-to-1. Admin to account is 1-to-many. Admin to order surface is 1-to-1. Order surface to payment is 1-to-many. And order surface to motorcycle is.
So this is our ERD model. So there is a customer, account, order service, admin, motorcycle, and payment. And there is a one will be added into RDMS. There is an have. It will be the new entities because have more to relationship.
And this is RDBMS design. Next is normalization from table account. We have 4 attributes. The first is account ID, username, password, and admin ID.
The next table is for customers. As you can see here, customer ID is the primary key, and account ID and order ID are the primary foreign keys.
Yes, there is a 5 attributes. The order ID as a primary key, and for the foreign key is account ID, customer ID, and admin ID.
For entities of motorcycle with the attribute of license plate as a primary key, and then type of motorcycle, years of manufacture, and then order ID as a foreign key, and for payment entity, payment ID as primary key, type of payment, date payment, total payment, and order ID as foreign key. This is the MySQL code for account and customer. For account with the data type of account ID, chars 9, username varchar 13, password varchar 15. For the code for account, DDL, create table account, open bracket, input the attribute, account ID char 9, username varchar 13, password varchar 15. For customer, it's the same type is customer ID, customer name, customer address, customer number, and the code is DDL, create table customer, open bracket, customer ID varchar 13, customer name char 6, customer address varchar 50, customer number char 12. The difference between char and varchar, char is only for alphabet. Meanwhile, varchar is alphabet with numbers, the combination of both of them.
This is for the order surface. For order surface data type, there is order ID for chart 6, kilometer transportation for chart 10, surface type chart 10, order status chart 20, and scale start surface for chart 10. So to implement into the SQL, so we have to type the code create table order surface open bracket, and we input all of the data type and close the bracket. Same with the admin. So for the data type for admin is admin ID char 15, name admin char 10, admin number char 15, and email address char 50. So we implement it to the SQL. We type create table admin open bracket, and we put all of the data type and close the bracket.
The next is motorcycle. We have three attributes: license plate for char 15, type motorcycle char 10, and years manufactured char 5. The DDL is create table motorcycle open bracket and insert all the attributes, close the bracket, and then don't forget the semicolon. Next, for payment data type, we have 4: payment ID for char 10, type payment char 10, data payment for char 10, and total payment also for char 15. The DDL is create table payment, open bracket, put all in the attributes, close the bracket, and semicolon.
Next is DML payment. Insert into payment and input the attribute payment. The first is payment ID, type payment, date payment, and total payment. Result motorcycle. Insert motorcycle and input the attributes. The first is license plate, type motorcycle, and years manufactured.
Next result is the account table. So the DML is insert into account. The attributes are account ID, username and password, and then values. And then to see the result of the table is select star from account semicolon.
For admin, for admin table, so we have to insert into the admin. So we type the admin ID, name admin number, and email address, values, and we type each of the data. The first one, you open the bracket, and for the last, we close the bracket, and we type all of the data and close with a semicolon. And for the table, so we type the select star from admin semicolon, and there is a table.
This is the result of order surface with the code of order ID. Sorry guys. So this is the result of order surface with the code of DML. Insert into order surface, open bracket order ID, kilometer transportation, service type, order status, schedule, start service, close bracket, and values. For the table, the code is select star from order surface and semicolon. Last result is from entity of customer, and the code is the same. Enter into customer and then put the attribute values. And for the table, it's also the same with the code of select star from customer and then semicolon.
And that's all from us, sir. Thank you for the opportunities to involve us into this big assessments. And yeah, that's all from us.